So this is a triggered email sent by Duolingo. You get it at the end of every week. It's your progress report. And most SaaS companies do this. Like this is the kind of email that they do. So to show you how you've used the product, how the product helped you, and also to encourage you to use the products some more, spend more time there. So yeah, you once you open it, of course, you can see the Duolingo O, so you know this is Duolingo. So branding is on point. It also follows the one email, one rule, which is continue learning. So go back to use the app. Continue learning, benchmarks, keep your progress going. It makes the design very interactive. But yeah, so your hard work will pay off. Your lessons are designed to keep up with you wherever you are. Stay on track with another lesson. Continue learning. So this email has just one goal. Go back to use the app. In comparison, we see Grammarly Insights, your writing powerhouse, and your weekly writing updates. Your writing is getting sharper with every word, leading to clearer communication that has a greater impact. Your consistency and hard work are paying off. So, I mean, if we could remove, replace your hard work is paying off, your hard work is going to pay off with something else, that's going to be great. The thing is, this email did not follow the one email, one rule. When you open Duolingo's email, immediately you can see the CTA right there, which is continue learning, go back to the app. But yeah, we see Go Pro, Get Pro down here, which is great that it's down here, but like, you know, better way to have handled this is to put it directly under here and then, just keep on going. Then you scroll down. Now the thing about this email is that it's very busy, and I get why it's there. I get why it's there, but a weekly summary is just that. It is a summary. Um, Productivity, mastery, vocabulary, tones detected in writing last week, blah 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 blah. And then, I feel as if this city would have been more potent, more effective if it was taken it was put placed here and then another one placed at the bottom of the email, because at the bottom of the email we have enhanced writing. They're like, these are all CTAs now. Of course, this is activated, and so yeah, I have to activate the remaining three. And I like that it has a toggle button, so I really like this toggle on and off. But it would have been more effective with the main CTA up here, and also, one email, one role. But I feel like most people feel that they have to pack everything right into their email at once. Just give them all the dates because you don't know which one they're going to open. But the thing with building trust is that sometimes you just have to take it slow. You just have to give people like the most prominent CTA, the most important thing action you want them to take in this moment. So yeah. So these are two. I just wanted to review these two triggered emails, which are highly personalized because they are meant for you. It's a summary of what you've done, and that's what make it great. I think so. The thing with Grammarly is because this is a personalized email, they feel we have to give you everything right now. Take all the advantage right now. And I totally understand that, but there are better ways to do this.